And so the first level to success in the classroom, the first level to success in school, the first level to success in sports, the first level to success in life. Listen to me, the very first level is you seeing it. Like it's clear to you. Like you know exactly what you want. You know exactly when you want it. Listen to me. You know exactly what it tastes like. You know what it looks like. You know what it smells like. Like before you really blow up, and you get success, like you literally have it in the palm of your hand without having it. You gotta know what it looks like, tastes like, feel like, because you don't, you're gonna compromise. And the thing I love about Kobe Bryant, at 18 years old, Kobe knew what it looked like. Kobe knew what it tastes like. Kobe knew what it felt like. And at 18 years old, Kobe said to the NBA, I ain't playing for them. How do you have the audacity to tell me you ain't gonna play for the Charlotte Bobcats? Back in the day, the Hornets. He said, why? Because I know what it looked like, and that ain't what it looked like. As a kid, when I saw myself playing, what does your dream look like? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? Kobe said, when I dreamed of going to the NBA, it looked like gold. It looked like multiple championships. It looked like magic. It looked like Wilt Chamberlain. That's what my dream looked like. And guess what happened? Right now, fooling with the Bobcats. He knew. What did he know? He knew he wanted to be a champion. That organization didn't match his values. When I told you values, you think I'm playing. The reason why Kobe went where he went, because he knew that the Lakers, in terms of their value system, he knew that the Lakers were committed to winning championships. They will pay whatever it takes. They'll bring in whatever coach. They'll bring in whatever player. They'll do whatever it takes to be champions. I don't expect you to believe in my dream like I believe in my dream. And the problem with some of y'all is you want somebody else to support your dream. It's yours. I don't owe you a dime. It's your dream. If you want it to happen, get your butt up and make it happen. If you want it to happen, rise and grind. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? What does it look like?